Congratulations on being amongst the select few. Your performance at Tata AIG sets you apart, the result of years of patience, skill, and relationship building. Welcome to the Little Red Dot, my home, Singapore. Soak in its beauty and take some time to celebrate you. As a high performer, I invite you to reflect. What got you here? What's your secret sauce? And how can you apply it to other areas of life? Where do you want to go next? What's the next mountain to climb? And in that pursuit, which relationships matter the most? Where are you already effective? Where could your influence grow? What does influence mean to you? How does your communication style help or hinder your impact? Let's get practical. Here's a two-part reflection. Part one, think of 3 to 5 people each, professionally and personally, where communication flows well. What traits do they share as you see it? Part two, now 3 to 5 people each, where things aren't flowing as well, where better communication could unlock real value, business or personal. What traits do they share? Especially in part two, think of the relationships where improving things could create real value. Whether that's top line, bottom line, or simply a better experience of working together or even being together. More trust, collaboration, camaraderie, love, or even shared accountability, be it in personal life or in professional life. Our time together will be about you looking at yourself in the context of these relationships. No PowerPoint, no slides, just practical, fun, real conversations. Because this isn't just about power of influence, it's about your power of influence in the relationships that matter to you. So show up fully. There are no slides to show. What's got to show up is you. Be present, be rested, be on time. Dress comfortably, business casual is perfect. And yes, Singapore hotels love their air conditioning, so bring something warm if you need it. And one more thing, the biggest distraction we carry these days, which takes us away from us taking a look at ourselves, what do you think it is? Yeah, it's the one in your pocket. So give yourselves the gift of full presence. You'll get far more out of it. This is your time to reflect, to recharge, and to rewire how you influence, how you communicate, so that you land better. I look forward to seeing you fully present, fully you.